Hello everyone! In today's tutorial I show you how to create a pixelated font using Photoshop and Illustrator. To start, click on the horizontal type tool and add text. Next, I'll add a threshold adjustment. But let's not touch it for now. We need to convert the text layer into a smart object. So now I go to Filter, Pixelate, Mosaic. Here I will set the value 10. Next up, adjust the threshold settings suit your preference. This will allow you to increase or decrease the thickness on the text. Now the pixelated text is ready. Let's save it. And move over to Illustrator. In Illustrator I select the image, window, image trace, and click trace. Now I want to remove all the excess. I click Object, Expand. Then I group the object files to separate everything and delete what is unnecessary. And here's the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.